A lot has happened again, and we have progressed in big steps. The shell is finished, and we will now give you an overview of the last months. Thank God, everything has gone well so far. Of course, a few corona cases now and again, but it has kept within limits and we are quite well on schedule. At this point, it looks like everything should be completed on time. The next step will be the installation of our new line 12 in 3 months, with new cutting lines, planing lines, sheathing lines, packaging lines, and also painting lines.
In the
last few months, there has been a lot of activity on the construction site. The shell of the halls and the offices was completed, the framework was brought to the construction site and assembled with great logistical effort. The floor slab in the first hall was concreted, the windows in the office and also in the production area were installed. The aluminum construction for the new showroom and the new canteen is also already in the making. In the background, you can see our new showrooms, which will allow us to show our customers our products here in the future. The next steps are the completion of the floor slab in the production hall, the electrical, cabling, and heating installations in the production halls, and we are now starting with the interior work in the office building. The next challenges we have to overcome are how to reconnect with our customers again now that the corona measures are finally relaxed, so that we can generate orders, enabling us to sell the new products we have developed and to convince our customers that we are the right partner here and that we have the capacity for the future. In the next video, we invite you to come along with us to look at the inside. We look forward to having you join us again.